Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to take good product photos with the iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Taking good product photos with an iPhone involves paying attention to lighting, composition, and detail. Here are some tips to help you capture high quality product photos. First method, natural lighting. Now, open your camera and use natural light whenever possible. Place your product near a window to take advantage of soft diffuse light, if there's any. Artificial light. If natural light isn't available, use softbox lights or LED panels to create even lighting without harsh shadows. Avoid flash. Tap the flash icon at the top left corner to disable it. The iPhone's flash can create harsh shadows and reflections. Stick to external light sources. Next method, background. Simple background. Use a plain clean background to keep the focus on the product. White and neutral colored backgrounds works very well. Consistent background. Keep the background consistent across all your product photos for a cohesive look. Next method, stability. Tripod. Use a tripod to keep your iPhone steady and avoid blurry photos. This is especially important for close-up shots. Self-timer. Use the self-timer feature to avoid any camera shake when taking the photo. Now, tap on the arrow downwards on the top corner, then find the timer icon, then choose your preferred timer. Another method, composition. Rule of thirds. Enable the grid in your camera settings and use the rule of thirds to compose your shots. Place the product along the grid lines or at the intersections. Multiple angles. Take photos from various angles, front, back, side, or top to provide a comprehensive view of the product. Another method, focus and exposure. Tap to focus. Tap on the screen to focus on the product. This will also adjust the exposure. Adjust exposure. Swipe up or down on the screen to adjust the exposure manually and ensure the product is well lit. Next method, highlight features. Take close-up shots to highlight important details and features of the product. Another method, editing. Built-in tools. Use the editing tools in the Photos app to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness. Next method, consistent style. Maintain consistency. Keep the style, lighting, and background consistent across all your product photos for a professional look. Brand aesthetics. Ensure that the photos align with your brand's aesthetics and overall image. Another method, reflections and shadows. Reduce reflections, avoid reflected surfaces, or use a polarizing filter to minimize unwanted reflections. Soft shadows. Create soft shadows to add depth without distracting from the product. Another method, use a lightbox. Lightbox. Consider using a lightbox for small to medium-sized products. A lightbox provides controlled lighting and a clean background, making it easier to capture high-quality photos. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.